y'all might hate me for this first mistake, but I'm here to keep it real. Leave your friend at home. Leave your friend at home, okay? I know it's really nice to have that friend that y'all gonna get into this together, y'all gonna hit y'all goals together, y'all gonna be in the gym together, but attaching yourself to someone else's fitness journey can be very detrimental to you, because if that person doesn't want to go to the gym, odds are you're not gonna want to go to the gym. The gym can be very intimidating. I'm still intimidated and I've been going to the gym for a very long time. I get wanting to go with somebody to be comfortable, but at the end of the day, you need to make sure you're comfortable going by yourself, because when that lazy friend want to stay at the crib, you might stay at the crib too. You have to be in this for yourself. You have to commit for yourself. My second mistake that I have a huge problem with sometimes is not increasing weights. You shouldn't be going to the gym doing the same PR, the same personal best every single time you go to the gym. If by the end of this year you're only lifting 20 pounds more, I don't know, that's kind of a lot. My point is, it depends on you, all right? So you just want to make sure you're constantly pushing yourself, because if you don't, you'll plateau, and instead of gaining, you'll be more so maintaining where you're at. And depending on, you know, where you are in your journey, that might be cool for you, that might be fine. But if you're looking to increase your endurance, if you're looking to increase your strength, etc., you have to load up on volume. A big tip for doing that is decreasing your reps. So don't feel like you need to do 12 to 15 reps of each exercise. That's absolutely way too much. You shouldn't even be able to do that. That means the weight is too light. Continue pushing yourself all the time and make sure you're going up in weight as much as possible. Your next biggest mistake would be not investing in like cute workout fits, cute accessories for the gym, everything that you need for the gym, because honestly, looking cute yields results. I progressed so much this year, and if you can see how my progression went, the cuter I looked in the gym, the more gains I had. And I'm not sure if that's scientific, but if I have a cute workout on, you best believe I'm hitting a new vest. I wear this outfit for a reason, so I'm gonna be lifting more weights. I'm gonna be pushing myself harder, because look good, feel good. I would definitely say look into some cute workout fits that you want, whatever you're comfortable in. Don't feel like you need to wear what the next person is wearing, but it's whatever makes you feel good, whatever is gonna motivate you to do better in the gym. Invest in it, because it makes the biggest difference. Your mindset can really change how you work out, and I wouldn't discount that at all. The next biggest mistake you want to avoid, this is also something I am constantly working on. You need to get that protein in. I know people push protein so hard, and I was one of those people that was like, protein is in everything I eat. I don't need to focus on it. I'm just gonna eat food and it's gonna be okay, and I'm just gonna get protein and then I'm gonna get gains, and absolutely incorrect, girl. Protein is the key to building your muscles up. So protein is made up of amino acids, and the whole point of this chain of amino acids is to repair and grow your muscles. So if you're not getting enough of that, you won't be going through the process of damaging your muscle, because growing your muscle is damaging it, letting it repair, and then it grows. So I like to push my protein early so that I don't have to worry about it before I go to night and have to end up eating like a tub of peanut butter to just get a little bit of protein in. I always try to plan for it and push it to the front of my day as much as possible. The fifth mistake you can make is not focusing on your form. So I know we just talked about increasing weights, and that's so very important, but before you increase your weight, make sure your form is on point, because so first of all, you can injure yourself, and second of all, you'll be doing all the work and getting none of the results. You definitely just want to practice your form. I would suggest even getting with a trainer if you're really new to the gym, and letting them just go through the motions with you. You can always ditch them at whatever point, but it's nice to get that real training about, this is what a squat should look like, this is what a pull down looks like, this is what a pull-up looks like, this is what you're targeting. Because a lot of the times you're doing the motions and you don't even know what you're supposed to be working, you just know what the movement looks like. It's nice to have that one-on-one time and to really hone in on what that form should look like, so that you can get the results that you deserve, because you're putting in the work. You should maximize your gains as much as possible. My sixth and final mistake you want to avoid is letting the gym intimidate you. Walk in there like you belong, because everybody at the gym started at some point. Nobody was born from the womb going to the gym. Give yourself grace to, you know, figure out what's going on, become confident, but don't stay in that for too long. If you have to fake it, fake it. Walk in there like you that girl. That mindset mindset, like I said earlier, the mindset really changes your workout. If you go in there timid, you're gonna do the timid workout. The little dumbbells to the side, you know what I'm saying? So nobody notices you, so you can be under the radar. That's fine to start with, but you always want to continue building, continue pushing yourself, have that confidence, and I promise it will change your workout. You'll make friends, and it's a whole communal thing too. Those are my 6 mistakes you want to avoid while you're getting in the gym. I'm speaking from experience. I've done all of these before, and even so, I still got some pretty good results last year that I'm happy about, but I'm also implementing these changes into my routine to make sure that I'm maximizing my time in the gym, because I feel like I put in too much time to not have the results that I want. When you're in there, don't play, know what you came to do. Lastly, you got this, just so you know. Comment any questions you have for me down below. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know any mistakes that you can share for everybody watching. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe. I make a ton, not a ton, I'm just getting started, but I make a lot of workout content, a lot of health content, and I would love to hear anything else that y'all want to hear from me. So please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.